Hello my friends, hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. If you're new, my name is Isabel. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, I hope you will go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. If you follow me, you know that I was traveling all last week for work. I am happy to be home. I did not do a lot of shopping, but I did pick up one small item, and I picked this up in Sao Paulo, Brazil. I'm gonna go ahead and share what this is, and then I'll give you the little backstory on it. So it came in the little bag. It's got the camellia, the little white ribbon. The packaging actually, the little bag held up pretty well because I've had it shoved in my carry-on for the whole week. So it's done real well. Inside is just a little box. They did not put any tissue paper or anything in there, just kind of threw the little box in there. Pretty little black box with Chanel in the front. Open it up. Inside you have the little black velvet pouch. And I haven't even opened it since I purchased them, so here they are. And you may want to guess, you may guess what this is by now. To reveal. Oh, they didn't even clip them on here. Okay, let me just get them out for you. To reveal these very, very cute earrings. Let me see if we can get a better look. Hang on. So, here they are. And this is what they look like. They are the CC earrings, and they have outlined with yellow gold, and inside the yellow gold color, and the inside is like a white gold, and it has like a padding or a plaid effect, if you can see right there. Try and there. And I think these are adorable. I also like the fact that they are actual, they're not clip-ons. I don't like clip-ons. They hurt my ears, so I really won't buy them. But these are pierced, so I really, really like them. But the reason that I picked these up is because I actually have the matching brooch, and I love it. See if you can, it's not picking up. There you go. So that's what the brooch looks like. So it is, of course, the exact match to the brooch. And just to give you the backstory, I purchased this in February of 2017. This is a 2016 spring collection, and I saw somebody had purchased this, and I saw it on the Facebook Chanel Addicted Buy, Sell, and Chat, and they were not selling them. They were not selling the brooch. They were just basically showing that they had purchased it at some point. And I loved it. I fell in love with it because it doesn't have any crystals on there. I thought that it was really, really nice. The fact that it had the kind of white gold and yellow gold coloring, so you could really wear them with anything. And so I was lucky enough to have my friend LalalovesLV help me locate the brooch. And we were able to get it in Hawaii. So I was very, very excited, but I couldn't get the earrings. And I really, really wanted to get the earrings. I couldn't find them anywhere. Last February, I went to Brazil, and I actually found these. I saw them at the Chanel boutique, and I was like, oh my gosh, there they are. They are the matching ones for my brooch. And I was like, oh my goodness. However, because it's in Brazil, the price is higher. And I was like, oh, I don't know if I want to spend the money. So I did not pick them up. So this time that I went back, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to the store again, and if they have them, I'm gonna get them because it's meant to be. And obviously they're old. They're from 2 years ago, so you're not gonna readily find them. Any other Chanel boutique that I have gone, like when I went to Las Vegas, I always would ask to see if they had them, and nobody has them. So anyhow, I went back to that particular Chanel boutique, and they still had them. So obviously it was meant to be, or that's how I rationalized it. So I went ahead and picked them up, and here they are. I would say they're a little bit, I really, really like them because they're not tiny, they're not huge. They hang a little bit, so, and you know, they're not clip, because I would not get the clip ones. So that's what they look like. Let me see if I can get you a close-up. I don't love my ears, but I really want so that you can look at them. But yeah, I am, like I said, I did have to pay over retail. I kind of figured it out. Let's see when the actual credit card bill comes in with the exchange. But I think I paid about $90 over retail, or what it would have cost me if I would have bought them back in 2016. But I now have the exact match to the brooch, so I am really, really excited. So let me know if you have these. I love them, really, really love them. I think I can get a lot of use from them, and love the fact that there's no crystals. I don't have to worry about anything falling out, and they're nice enough that I think you can wear them to go to work. They're not that flashy, I don't think. So really, really excited, love them. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have them. So that's what I picked up on my trip. Other than that, what I want to quickly share with you is what I picked up from Sephora, sale at Sephora. And honestly, I did not buy a lot. I only bought 2 items. Reason for that is twofold. Usually, I like to buy my things at Nordstrom, honestly. I just have a relationship with a personal shopper. Her name is Erin. I've linked and talked about her in the past. I'll go ahead and link her information down below. I really enjoy getting my things through her. It's very nice. Plus, I also get my points at Nordstrom. So I generally buy my stuff at Nordstrom's. That's the first one. Number 2, I don't know that I need a lot of things. I already placed an order, and I'm going to be getting, not makeup, but additional clothing items. I should be getting them next week, and I want to share those with you. So anyhow, I did not pick up a lot of stuff, but let me just share what I did pick up with you. The first thing I've never used before, and it is called the Eye Duty Triple Remedy. Is supposed to instantly brighten, depuff, and smooth. And I got it in the fair medium color. Now, I did wear it today, and I don't have any concealer corrector or anything like that, but it's supposed to help you not look as puffy or help you with your circles under your eyes. And so I went ahead and picked it up. I was curious about it. So it comes in this little tube, and you open it up, and as you can see, I've used it. I don't like the fact that it seems to spill out after you try it. It's not easy to close the little tube. So anyhow, you squeeze, and the product comes out through here, and then you use this side to go ahead and massage it underneath your eye. It feels really nice. Like I said, I tried it this morning. It feels very nice, and I mean, I think that my under eye doesn't look terrible. Now, granted, I don't have anything else on there, so I'm sure that you're supposed to put concealer or something over it, and I didn't do it. What I don't like about this is that it's not easy to close. Okay, so to get it to really close, you kind of have to press down here. Thus, more product is coming out. So that I don't like, and I haven't figured out how I can close it in a better manner. But anyway, so I did pick this up from the Sephora sale, so I got it, I guess it's 15% off. And the only other thing I picked up is this one right here, and this is called the Sephora mini color switch, and it's this right here. This, I have not used it. Again, I just got home last night. Haven't had time to use anything. And this is supposed to be a travel size makeup removing sponge that lets you get eyeshadow color off your brush so you can switch to another color without any product transfer. And I've never used this, so I decided to pick it up because I figure this is something good. Nobody washes their brushes on a daily basis, or at least, let me just say, I don't wash my brushes on a daily basis. So I figured this would be good for eyeshadow brushes that you're gonna wash once a week, but you're not necessarily gonna wear the same eyeshadow all week. So I figured I would try this out, and I will let you know how it goes. But those are the only 2 items I picked up. I didn't, like I said, want to spend a lot of money during the sale because I knew that I wanted to pick up some more clothing items. I know that Triple Points is coming up for Nordstrom's next week, so I just picked up those 2 items. Anyhow, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Again, if you have these super cute earrings, let me know. I know that they're old, so if anybody's interested in them, I guess the way to try and get a hold of them would be to possibly do one in search of at the Chanel Addicted Buy, Sell, and Chat group, or through a personal shopper maybe, because like I said, they are from 2 years ago. But very, very excited I was able to pick them up. Happy to add them to my collection. Well, that's it for today. I hope everybody has a really nice weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye.